Hey guys, just came out of a thrift store and picked up an item. I'm going to show you what this item is right now, and I'm going to show you why I picked this one up. You're going to be surprised. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so what this item is, check this out. It's a Linksys router. I got it for 99 cents, guys. So I'm going to show you now how I decided to buy this and how this can be 30 times my money. So let's take a look at it, and I'll actually pull it up right now and show you how I did. Okay, I wanted to demonstrate to you exactly what I do in the store so I can determine whether or not this is an item that I want to buy. So all I do is I open my eBay app. That's where I'm at right now. On the search bar at the top, I type in what this item is. And it's a Linksys. And you can see it pops right up because I just looked it up in the store. A Linksys router, an MX4200. It's right here at the top. So I'm going to click it. Now, I want to show you several different things. When I first click this, it's going to show you the total amount of all the listings right now, currently. And you see it at the bottom. It's 93 results. So we need to filter this item. And what I do is I click filter right up here at the left top. And I'm going to change the buying format. And the reason I do that is I don't sell things by auction. I sell things by buy it now. So I'm going to open that dialog box. And right now you can see all listings is 93. Buy it now. Now it switches down to 88. Now let's back out. And now we want to do a couple of other filters on this. Condition. We don't want new. We only want used. So when I click used, you can see now we've dropped down to 55 items. It's right here. So let's back out again. And now let's take a look at these. So down here at the bottom, you'll see 55 results. And let's look through them. We see $35. We see $49. We see a $28. We see a 35, a 54, a 30. Okay, so it's far enough. Let's go back up. And now this time, let's click filter again. But this time, what we're going to do is we're going to hit show more. And then we're going to go clear down and click sold items. Now, the reason we want to go look at sold items, we don't care how many of these things are listed. We want to know how many of these things actually have sold. So you could find an item that there's 15 listings and you go, good, there's only 15. But the problem is there are no solds, none, zero. That's not a good item to buy. So this item, we know there's 55 results. It's down here at the bottom. Now let's click sold items. Watch the bottom. And now it's updated. There's 75 solds. Whoa, guys, look. 55 listings and 75 have sold in the last 90 days. See it? So let's go look at these. Okay, so here's what we've got that have sold. First set is a set of 3 at $90. Divide the 90 by the 3, you can see it's about $30. Here's another one that's 30. Here's one that's from overseas at 44. Here's another one that's 40. On this one, somebody has accepted a best offer, 31. Here's another set of 3. Here's another single that's 45 plus delivery. And another one that's 29 plus delivery. So I am very confident that I can take this router that I have and sell it for $30. It would actually probably bring like this one because it's very clean. It'd probably be closer to 40, but don't do it that way. I'm going to put it up for 30. And the reason for that, I like to buy and sell and turn these things. I don't want them sitting on my shelf while I'm trying to squeeze every penny out of them. I don't do that. I would not advise you to do that if you want an active store and see things actually moving. So anyway, I wanted to take a look at this and show you 55 listings, 75 solds. That's over 100% sell through rate in 90 days. I'm confident I can list it for 30 and sell it within 90 days. And on top of that, I only paid 99 cents for it, guys. I'm going to get 30 times my money. So, I mean, this is a no brainer. This is an automatic pickup. I'm going to grab it. It's a score, get this thing listed, and sell it, throw it in a box, ship it, and that'll be it. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to switch up and I'm going to show you why wireless routers are a great uh, BOLO item, which stands for be on the lookout for. So I'm going to show you that right now. Let's switch over to my laptop and let me show you what to be watching for. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to see what kind of BOLOs we can find on wireless routers. So let's take a look. So we're just going to type in up here in the search, wireless routers. Okay, wireless routers. And you can see up here there are 78,000 listings. See that? Okay, but we don't care about that. What we're going to do is we're going to see what sells at a high price. Now, right up here on this top bar, let's look at this first. We want buy it now items. We're not interested in auction items. And we're going to select used. Okay, so these are just used. 46,000 wireless routers. Okay, that's how many listings are up, and that includes every type that you can imagine. So what we're going to do next is we're going to slide down, and we're going to slide the bar over. You can see it goes from 0 to 1,500 plus. So let's take this, and we want to be realistic, ones that are actually out there that we can find. So let's say, oh, $200. So $200 and above on wireless routers. Now we still see that there's 1,200 listings over, guys, over $200. So now what we want to do is let's go check for solds. And what we're doing this for is to check the sell-through rate to see which ones are actually selling. So we go down and click sold items. Now we can see that there are 1,000 wireless routers that sold. Check this out. Let's go over here and sort this again from ended recently to the price plus the shipping highest first. So let's look at these high ones first. Now, like I say, these are out there, guys. You can find these. They're not laying around all over the place, but I want you to get you an idea here of how much, couple $1,000s on the highest end ones. But now let's go back and we're going to filter again, but this time we're going to change it to price plus shipping lowest first. Now remember, we already told it, we only want things that are $200 and above. So these are routers that are $200 and above that have sold. There's a Draytech Vigor, which I've never heard of, $200. Best offer was accepted. Here's Google Nest. I know many of you have heard of Google Nest. So let's go on down. The Asus or Asus, whichever way you prefer. It's going down. Netgear. People heard of Netgears. Here's another Google Nest. This is a 4-pack. But what I want you to see, guys, these are out there. So let's go and let's filter this a little bit more. And now let's change this to real life things. So we're going to drop this down to $50. Now this is $50. 311 listings sold. Okay, so what have we got here? Again, here's a Google Wi-Fi mesh, $50 and more. So it looks like a Google Nest Wi-Fi router would definitely be one to keep your eyes open for. So you can look these up, and sometimes you can find real bargains on these. Like I did, I just picked one up for 99 cents. Here's the same type that I have. The thing about wireless routers, guys, is technology keeps changing. And as time goes on and technology keeps changing, these older routers, and a lot of these I see are Wi-Fi 6. I believe a lot of them are Wi-Fi 7. Right here, Starlink Gen 3, so Wi-Fi 6. But and I'm sure it's going to continue to change. So anyway, definitely BOLOs. The ones I would be looking out for, some of the Asus or Asus, however you say it, the Netgear, especially an Orbi, the Eero, and also keep an eye open for this Google Nest up here. I've seen a lot of those. So anyway, while you're out there shopping around, guys, watch for them. So there you have it. You just saw where I found one for 99 cents. I'm going to list it for 30 bucks. It's going to sell quick. I'm sure of that. And these are out there. Guys, remember to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on my next video.